So guys, welcome back to my channel Science Expert, and today we are going to learn about the human eye. Yes guys, I have promised you today I will going to teach you about the human eye. So here we are with a video. So let's begin without any ado. So first of all, I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to teach you about what's written in the textbook. I made these points for you for the better understanding. So first let us start. The first part is we will learn what are the parts of the human eye. That is, first is cornea, iris, pupil, aqueous humor, crystal lens, and then there is a ciliary muscle, scroll, retina, and a blind spot. So let us see this all one by one. So first of all, there is a cornea. It is the transport spherical membrane covering the front of the eye. Light enters the eye through this membrane. So what it's written here, the light which is enters through eye, that is this function done by cornea. The light which is entered in our eye, the function produced by this, its cornea. Next is crystalline. The eye lens is a convex lens made of a transparent spot and material like a jelly made of proteins. This crystalline lens is a lens it's made up like a convex lens which is transparent, means this crystalline lens is a transparent, and it is very soft part in a eye. It's very soft part, and this crystalline lens contains some proteins. So next there is iris. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm between the cornea and the lens. It controls the size of the pupil. So what iris do is, when more amount of light enters in our eye come to closer, means our eye changes our shape. So this is made by the iris. Okay, in a dark side, when we are in a dark room, the light cannot enter into our eye. So iris increase the shape of our eye, that more light should be entered through this. Next is pupil. It is a small hole between the iris through which light enters the eye. In dim light, it opens up completely due to expansion of iris that we call a color of the eye. So this pupil is the color of eye. Okay, due to the dark side, the color cannot enter in our eye, then pupil helps to iris to make the size of eye bigger, and this is a hole between iris. So next is on next page. So there is a ciliary muscles. They hold the lens in position and help in modifying the curvature of the lens. These ciliary muscles help the curvature of the lens. Okay, so it's not more sufficient, so we will try to next retina. It is the light sensitive surface on the eye which the image is formed contain light sensitive cell rods and coins. So the image which is formed, that the neurons are sent to brain. The image which is formed in the front of eye, that image is sensed by the nerve, that are rods and the coins. These are attached to the brain by the help of retina. Optic nerve, it transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. It transports the information because more sufficient light is going to enter in our eye can be damaged. So this kind of messages is sent by the optic nerve. Sclera, it is an ocular fibrous protective outdoor layer of an eye containing collagen and elastic fiber. It is also known as white of the eye. Means what this sclera do, it protects our eye, that any dust or any dust particle should not enter in our eye should not get any kind of a damage. So this protection is done by the sclera. Aqueous humor, what is an aqueous humor? Behind the cornea we have a space fluid with the transport liquid called the aqueous humor, and behind this there is a crystalline lens which is referred light to be focused on retina and maintains intraocular pressure. What this aqueous humor do? It is aqueous humor is a kind of a liquid. In this liquid there are some kind of bubbles which protects our eye. This aqueous humor liquid is in the at the side of the crystalline lens, okay, to refract more sufficient of light, to refract the light into other parts that image should be formed properly. This work is done by aqueous humor, which is a kind of a liquid. What is a Witcher humor? So Witcherius humor, I didn't mention it in a diagram, so I will try to help you to understand. The space between eye lens and retina is filled with another liquid called vitreous humor. So the space between retina and eye lens, there is a liquid which is vitreous humor. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and give me the thumbs up, and I get motivated, so I will bring a lot of video like this for you for 10th standard. Thank you.